Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 87. 축하합니다. Again, this is pronounced as 축하합니다. This word is composed of 5 syllables. The first syllable is pronounced as chuk, second syllable is ha, third syllable is ham, fourth syllable is ni, and the fifth syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 축하합니다. Again, it's 축하합니다. But take note, even though the spelling of the third syllable is that of hap, it is still pronounced as ham because the next syllable to it is ni. So it's 축하합니다. Now, what is the meaning of the word 축하합니다? This is a formal way of saying congratulations. Again, it's congratulations. Now, how do we write 축하합니다 in Hangul? This is composed of 5 syllables. So let's start with the first two, which is chuk and ha. To write the syllable chuk in Hangul, we need to draw first a chiyat character, followed by an u character, followed by a giyot character. And then for the second syllable ha, we need to draw first a hiyot character, followed by an a character. So that's it for the first 2 syllables. Next, let's proceed with the remaining 3 syllables. For the third syllable hap, we need to draw first a hiyot character, followed by an a character, followed by a biyot character. The fourth syllable is ni, and this is written by drawing first a neon character, followed by an e character. And then the fifth syllable is da, and this is written by drawing first a dikat character, followed by an a character. However, looking back to the syllable hap, even though it is spelled with a hiya, a, and a biyup, it is pronounced as ham because in Korean, we need to change the sound of biyup to a miyum if it is followed by a neon character. So that's how you write 축하합니다 in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned 축하합니다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 77 to 86. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 87 is 축하합니다, which means congratulations in a formal manner. The first word for our review is word number 86. It's 어떻게, and this is used to say how. Next word for our review is 어떻게, and this is used to say what to do. Next word for our review is word number 84. It's 어디, and this is used to ask where. Next word for our review is word number 83. It's 아까, which means a while ago today. Next word is 지금. This is an adverb of time which means now. Next word is 어제. This is another adverb of time which means yesterday. Next word is 내일. This is another adverb of time which means tomorrow. Next is 오늘. This is another adverb of time which means today. Next word for our review is 일어나, which is used to say wake up or get up. And then the last word for our review is 오다, which means to come. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.